Car crash claimed the life of two soldiers on Old Hope Road. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Two Jamaica Defense Force soldiers who succumbed to injuries they sustained in a crash on Old Hope Road in St. Andrew have been identified. The deceased have been identified as Mario Powell and Ricardo Harrison. Reports are that about 3:30 a.m., the off-duty soldiers were traveling in a blue Toyota Yaris motor car along Old Hope Road when the driver lost control of the vehicle and crashed in a wall. The injured men were rushed to hospital where Powell and Harrison succumbed to their injuries. The other men remain hospitalized in critical condition.
The information we received, this collision occurred about 3:30 a.m. whilst the car was traveling along Hulu Road, right heading towards Mascana, where it's alleged that the driver failed to negotiate a left-hand curve, and as a result the vehicle went straight and collided into a perimeter wall. From the extent of the damage, it is evident that some level of speed was involved, and it's unfortunate that all four occupants of the vehicle were seriously injured. Right, two of them succumbed. One, from information that is coming to us, is still critical in the hospital, and the fourth one is sort of stable. So we're just hoping for the best, and that at least those two can remain alive.
Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to comment this. Thanks for watching.